Tired of those jarring gaps between your blocks? Let's achieve that pristine, connected look in Minecraft. Today, we're diving into how to get those beautiful connected textures that blend adjacent blocks, making your builds look incredibly polished and seamless. First things first, we need to head into our Minecraft game. Once you're in your world, press Escape to bring up the game menu. From the game menu, click on Options. Now, in the Options menu, select Resource Packs. This is where we'll be adding our magic. Click on the Open Pack Folder button. This will open a folder on your computer where Minecraft stores all its resource packs. Now, you'll need a resource pack that supports connected textures. A quick web search for Minecraft Connected Textures resource packs will give you tons of options. Download a pack you like, usually a zip file. Take that downloaded zip file and simply drag and drop it into the resource packs folder you just opened. Go back to your Minecraft resource pack screen. You should now see your downloaded resource pack listed in the available column on the left. To activate it, hover over your resource pack and click the arrow that appears. This will move it over to the selected column on the right. Once it's in the selected column, click the Done button. Minecraft will reload, and your textures will transform. And there you have it. Look at that beautiful, smooth connection. Your builds just got a serious aesthetic upgrade. Experiment with different resource packs to find the perfect look for your Minecraft world. Enjoy your stunning, connected textures.